In the Tesla Cybertruck, check this new LED ambient lighting that I will be adding to this Tesla Cybertruck. So you can see this Tesla Cybertruck has this ambient lighting, but it's very dim. So if you want to add a little touch to this ambient lighting strip here, you can add another layer. And this works for Model Y3SX S as well as Cybertruck. So using this strip here, and you can control it by app. What I'm going to do is place it underneath here, so then you have either the same color or contrast. You can change it whatever color you like. And let's go ahead and install this. And how I'm getting power from this is really easy. It's from the glove box. So getting a USB hub, so you have access there. Plug this in, and you run the wires along the corner here, and this little opening, and then basically the wire just hides behind here. So let's go ahead and get it installed and show you how it looks like. And they provide you with the adhesive tape. You want to put the adhesive tape on here, and you just line it with the edge. Make sure the surface is clean with some microfiber cloth. But yeah, just line it up like that, and that's how it sticks on there. And it sticks on there pretty good. They give you extra adhesive in case you need to replace this as well. And that's how you install it. Of course, you can change it to any color. They even have more variety compared to the Tesla version. It's a lot brighter. Of course, you can dim it down. The wires, I just ran it across there. And of course, you can hide it around here just like that. And it goes right into the glove box. So it's hidden away. Clean look. And you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video. And it plays sync with the music as well, so you can customize it however you like. Pretty cool. And from the outside, pretty visible. Of course, you can change the actual lighting brightness itself, but pretty cool. You can change the color sequence. It has so much variety. Looks way better than the Tesla OEM one. Highly recommend this if you're interested in this. Link in the description of this video. Catch you all next time.